Discuss the second part of the chemical property. As already we discussed, the chemical property of phenol divided into three parts. Part one is reaction due to the OH part. Point two, reaction due to the engineering, and third one is miscellaneous reaction. The total chemical property is divided into three segments. First is the reaction due to the OH part of phenol. Second one, reaction due to benzene nucleus. Third is the miscellaneous. So point one part is over. Next move to reaction due to benzene ring. Means under this one the most important thing is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Discuss one by one. So let me reaction due to benzene nucleus or benzene ring. Reaction due to benzene ring. Under this one, we move to electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. This heading contain 2 to 3 part is there. Part 1 is halogens. Part 1 is halogenation, or we go through specific bromination. What is the statement? When phenol treated with bromine water, a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenols is formed. Let us consider the equation. When phenol treated with bromine water, what happened? A mono-substituted product is formed. That is 2, 4, 6 tribromophenols. 2, 4, 6 tribromophenols. White precipitate form. I repeat again. When phenol treated with bromine water, a white precipitate of 2, 4, 6 tribromophenols is formed. It is an important reaction to distinguish between, which help in distinguish between phenol and ethyl alcohol. And also then we mark that when phenol reacts with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. Mark that. Previous one is phenol treated with bromine water. Now phenol treated with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. What happened? A mixture of O-bromophenol and P-bromophenol is there. Mark that. A mixture of O-bromophenol and P-bromophenol and P-bromophenol is formed. Repeat the again statement. When phenol treated with bromine water, mono-substituted product is formed, a white precipitate of 2, 4, 6 tribromophenols. On the other hand, when phenol treated with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide, mixture of O-bromophenol and P-bromophenol is formed. Chemical property is the nitration. Nitration means action with nitric acid. So what is the statement? When phenol treated with dilute nitric acid, a mixture of O-nitrophenol and P-nitrophenol is formed. Mark the question. phenol treated with dilute nitric acid HNO3 we write as HONO2 to form mixture of O-nitrophenol and P-nitrophenol. O-nitrophenol and P-nitrophenol. Here, P-isomer is the major product. I will say again, when phenol treated with a dilute nitric acid, a mixture of O-nitrophenol and P-nitrophenol is on the other hand. When phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid, single product is formed, that is 2,4,6-drinitrophenol. Mark the equation. When phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, same thing is there, HONO2. What happened? We form 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Otherwise it is known as picric acid. So I recap again. When phenol treated with dilute nitric acid, mixture of O-nitrophenol and P-nitrophenol is formed. While when phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid, 2,4,6-trinitrophenol or picric acid is formed. Next, we go through sulfonation. Sulfonation means action with sulfuric acid. So, what is the statement? When phenol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, what happens? Two different products are formed depending upon temperature. At low temperature, that is 15 degrees centigrade, O-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid is formed, while at high temperature, that is 100 degrees centigrade, P-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Mark the equation. Phenol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO will rewrite as HOSO3H. This H combined with to form O isomer known as O-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid, and at high temperature, what is it called? Its name is P-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. I repeat the statement again. When phenol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at a low temperature, O isomer, that is O-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid is formed, while at high temperature, that is 100 degrees centigrade, P isomer, that is P-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid is formed. It is about sulfonation. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3 aluminum chloride, what happens? A mixture of same thing is there, minus HCl. Mixture of O isomer and P isomer is drawn. Here P isomer is the major product while O isomer is the minor product. Its name is O methyl phenol or O cresol and P cresol. P cresol is the major product. I repeat that again. When phenol treated with methyl chloride, when phenol treated with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, mixture of O cresol and P cresol is